Our East Texas storm team coverage continues tonight from Canton, where a severe storm prompted a tornado warning that toppled trees and caused widespread flooding.
KETK's Ashlyn Anderson joins us live from an RV park that is underwater tonight. Ashlyn, what are you seeing?
Casey, Isaac, right now I'm standing on a bridge that actually connects the road to the RV park, and I want you to just tilt down a little bit and just see the inches of water. This was not like this a couple of hours ago. I can kind of step and I have some splashes under me, but we're gonna take a look behind me at the RV park. I don't know how much you'll be able to see because it is so dark, but it is now starting to rush over into the RVs. It hasn't yet made it to where the RVs are, but it definitely is making its way with how fast this water is rushing. And we were here just a couple of hours ago, even minutes. The water is rushing. So I'm going to take you to the source. This is not a river. It may sound like it. It's not a creek. It may sound like it. This is a culvert that has drainage issues or so much flash flooding from all of the Canton rain and possible tornadoes. It is rushing in here. It was not like this a couple of minutes ago. It is now starting to move over into this bridge. My knees are wet, my pants are wet, my photographer's shoes are destroyed, but you can see all of the debris that is now piling up onto this bridge, and it's not stopping. It is just going over into the other side. It's now also starting to go into the road a little bit, so this will pose a problem if there is any more severe weather coming this weekend. We will definitely need to keep our eye on this property, on this spot, if anyone is in the RVs. We haven't seen anyone. They seem to not be here, but if anyone is, I would guarantee and advise to leave this area. And this isn't the only spot that has major flooding across from First Monday trade days, where it looks like an event center. There are sheds. You can kind of see snow cone signs, so it looks like an event spot. It is flooded. It is about halfway over those sets. I saw a motorcycle that is almost unrecognizable. There are porta potties kind of slashed over from how fast the water is going. Also the plants. If you really look at the plants, and if they're all laid down in one position, that's how you know where the water has rushed down. But from all of the storms today, we haven't seen any damage, but this flash flooding will cause some damage that we want to keep our eye on. So for now, I'm in Canton. I'll send it back to you guys in studio.